Hello, welcome. I'm Crow. Welcome to Driftwood Hollow Drums. This video today, it's a sound demo video for our Etsy shop. For one of the listings, it's for this beautiful drum just here. So this is, as I say, this is for sale on our Etsy shop, and the video is so you can come along and have a listen to the sound. So we've got an 18-inch horse skin drum, very tactile, very beautiful, because the hair is left on the drum here, which is rather gorgeous. If I turn it over, it's got silver birch branch handles on the back here. We've got this inner circle, which is artificial sinew, but it's bound with this sari rope for decoration, and the ends are left as streamers, which is pretty as well. On the inside of the frame, and the frame's made from willow, by the way, I put my maker's mark, Driftwood Hollow Drums. I've also put horse and willow, and I put birthed on the 13th of November 2023 in Paris, UK. That's for your astrological information, all the information you'll need to be able to look at what energies were around on the day when the drum was birthed. So I'm going to play with two beaters, a firm beater and a softer beater. This is a soft one. We'll swap over halfway through. So here we go. Beautiful. Okay, and then the firmer beater. Beautiful. So both of these beaters are available to purchase alongside the drum if you decide that this is the right drum for you. So yeah, I hope the video's helped. I hope it helps you to make a more informed decision choosing your drum online, which is always very tricky. I like this little bit here, which is coming up from the side. Lots of character. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.